Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of Cozy Boho Decor. If you're a fan of warm, inviting spaces with a touch of eclectic charm, you're in the right place. Let's explore how to transform your home into a Bohemian retreat. The essence of boho decor lies in its connection to nature. Incorporate materials like rattan, wicker, wood, and bamboo to create an organic, grounded feel in your space. Boho is all about texture and comfort. Layer your furniture with throw blankets, textured cushions, and a mix of patterned fabrics. The more variety, the better. Don't shy away from bold patterns. Moroccan rugs, tribal prints, and geometric designs are perfect for adding visual interest to your boho haven. Plants are a must for any boho space. From hanging planters to large potted palms, greenery brings life and vibrancy to your decor. Give your boho space a unique personality with vintage finds and handmade pieces. Think macrame wall hangings, woven baskets, and thrifted treasures. Stick to a warm color palette with earthy tones like terracotta, mustard, and rust. These hues create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. Soft, ambient lighting is key for a cozy boho vibe. Use string lights, lanterns, and candles to create a warm, dreamy glow. Boho isn't about perfection, it's about character. Mix and match furniture styles, blending vintage pieces with modern touches to create an eclectic, lived-in look. With these cozy boho decor ideas, your home will feel like a relaxing retreat in no time. Which tip are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more inspiring home decor content. See you next time.